In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Zotero Chrome extension. By the end, you'll have the Zotero connector installed in Google Chrome so you can quickly save articles, web pages, and citations straight to your Zotero library. Start by opening Google Chrome and heading to google.com. This gives us a straightforward place to begin and makes it easy to search for the official resources we'll reference. While we're here, look to the top right of Chrome's toolbar for the puzzle-shaped icon. That's the extensions menu. We'll use it shortly to manage and install what we need. In the Google search bar, type Zotero connector. If you see a result titled something like Zotero connector in Safari from Zotero.org, go ahead and open it. Even though we're installing the Chrome extension, this official support page includes compatibility notes and links that help confirm you're in the right place and following trusted guidance. On that page, look over the installation information so you understand what the connector does. It captures citation details from websites and passes them to your Zotero library. Now return to Chrome and click the puzzle icon at the top right. From that drop-down, choose Manage Extensions. This opens Chrome's extensions page where you can control what's installed. In the sidebar or footer, click the link to open the Chrome Web Store. That's the official catalog for Chrome extensions. Inside the Chrome Web Store, use the search box and type Zotero. You're looking for the listing called Zotero Connector, published by Zotero.org. Opening the listing lets you review its description, screenshots, and permissions so you know exactly what you're adding. When you're ready, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will show a small confirmation dialog explaining the permissions the extension needs to capture page details and save items to your library. Click Add Extension to confirm. Chrome will download and install the connector in a moment, and you'll see a brief notification when it's done. From here, the Zotero connector is active. You'll find its button in the extensions menu under the puzzle icon. Depending on the page you're viewing, the button may change to indicate it's saving an article, a web page, or multiple results. If the Zotero desktop app is running, saves will go right into it. Otherwise, they'll sync to your online library if you use Zotero's sync features. That's it. You've installed the Zotero Chrome extension using the official resources, the Extensions Manager, and the Chrome Web Store. Now you're ready to capture clean, consistent citations directly from your browser as you research.